Proudly built in North America, Broil King's Signet series is your complete outdoor companion for exceptional grilling. Broil King's legendary cooking system gives you the ability to cook almost anything on your grill and in any style you desire. Each component of the cooking system is designed and engineered for one purpose: great barbecue flavor. All Signet models come with 3 high-quality stainless steel dual-tube, side-ported burners. These powerful tube-and-tube burners play a key role in providing efficient heat through more than 120 ports. Each burner has 2 ribbons of flame for a total of 6 rows across the entire surface of the grill. This means that you get more flame and more heat per square inch, and the ultimate in even heat distribution. The stainless steel Flavor Wave cooking system provides superior heat distribution across the entire surface of the grill and protects the burners. Drippings that fall onto the Flavor Wave are instantly vaporized. The vapor created through this process infuses back into the food for that unmistakable barbecue flavor. All Signet models come with extra heavy, professional-grade cast iron cooking grids. These grids deliver excellent heat retention and exceptional searing power to lock in both juices and flavor. Broil King's cast iron cooking grids have 2 sides. One side is pointed for those perfect steakhouse sear marks, while the other side has grooves for continuous basting. When combining Broil King's dual-tube burners, Flavor Wave cooking system, and professional-grade cooking grids, you have the luxury of utilizing the entire cooking surface for high-heat searing. Or you have the ability to use a section of the grill as a sear zone. Broil King gives you the performance and the versatility. Made from high-grade cast aluminum, the cookbox provides excellent heat retention and long-lasting durability. It's designed to allow even heat and precise control. Linear flow valves with 180-degree SensiTouch control knobs give you infinite heat control, allowing you to set your grill to the perfect temperature for searing, roasting, or slow cooking. Here are some other great features available on select Signet models. A convenient commercial-grade side burner allows you to do more. Create mouth-watering side dishes, soups, or sauces while you grill. A powerful rotisserie burner comes complete with a premium rod and motor to consistently deliver even heat for superior roasting results. Made from quality North American steel, the rigid cabinet comes complete with 2 stylish stainless steel doors. Open the doors and find space to hold a propane tank and extra storage for grilling accessories. All Signet models come equipped with a premium AccuTemp thermometer to show precise temperature. The easy-to-lift cast aluminum lid is completed with a stainless steel wrap. The stainless steel side shelves come with tool hooks to keep all of your grilling essentials close at hand. The shelves are designed to fold down for easy storage in tight spaces. All Signet models come with 2 large crack-proof wheels for easy maneuverability and 2 durable locking casters to keep your Broil King in place. Broil King uses high-quality stainless steel for many components. All other steel is zinc-coated and further protected by an epoxy paint that is baked on through a powder coat process. This premium triple coat process provides superior rust protection. The Signet series is backed by a great warranty. This ensures that your grill will perform for many years to come. Proudly built in North America and built to last. The Signet series by Broil King. Great barbecues every time.